Ideoli is only as good as the people supporting it. With that being said, we'd like to introduce you to Armando, Ideoli's applications engineer.
I work directly with assembly line workers all the way up to general managers to make sure this product leaves here 100% to specification.
Armando travels the world to oversee Ideoli's production lines while being on site to help facilitate installation projects.
I am responsible for reviewing anything with incoming components to final product assembly.
Armando has made a tremendous impact on the overall operations of Ideoli. With operations and clients around the world, it is important to have people that embody the overall brand and what it represents.
Ideoli does things differently. It's a brand that I'm very proud to be a part of.